In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint Task Management. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible task tracker built right inside SharePoint, perfect for teams that want clarity on owners, priorities, and due dates without leaving their site. Start by opening your organization's SharePoint home in a browser and signing in if needed. From the Start page, head to the site where your team collaborates. This might be a project space or a department hub. Make sure you have permission to create content on that site since we're about to add a new list. At the top of the site, select New and then choose List. You can build from a ready-made template or start fresh. If you'd like a head start, the Work Progress Tracker template includes useful fields out of the box. I'll choose a blank list so you can see the core setup. Give the list a clear, action-oriented name, like Team Tasks or Project Tracker, and add a brief description so others understand its purpose at a glance. Confirm you're creating it on the correct site, then create the list. With your list open, it's time to add the key columns that make it a true task manager. Add a choice column for status and define options such as not started, in progress, blocked, and done. Create another choice column for priority with values like low, medium, and high. Add a person column for assignee so tasks can be owned by specific teammates and resolved more quickly. Finally, add a date and time column for due date. If your process benefits from it, you can also include a start date or an estimated effort column, but keep it lean to encourage consistent updates. Remember to set sensible defaults like status equals not started and reorder columns so title, assignee, priority, status, and due date appear in a logical sequence. To load tasks quickly, switch to Edit in Grid View. This gives you a spreadsheet-like experience where you can tab across fields, paste multiple rows from Excel, and make bulk changes in seconds. Keep an eye on required fields to avoid validation messages, and when you're done, exit Grid View so the list returns to its standard layout. To keep everyone focused on what matters, create customized views. Build a This Week view that filters due date to this week and sorts by earliest first. Create a My Tasks view filtering assignee to me so each person can see their own work. Group by status to visualize progress, or switch to a calendar view to see deadlines on a month or week grid. Pin your most helpful view as the default for the list. And that's it. Your SharePoint task management system is ready to use and easy for your team to adopt.